In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ClickUp. If you've ever needed a clean, organized way to collect information from teammates, clients, or stakeholders, ClickUp forms make that process simple and reliable. I'll walk you through the essentials, and along the way I'll share tips to help you get a polished result without any confusion. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in. Starting on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the workspace where you want this form to live. This matters because your form responses will flow into the place you choose next, keeping everything tidy and easy to find later. Now go to your specific space. A space is the home for related projects and tasks, so pick the one that makes the most sense for the type of information you're collecting. For example, if this form is for marketing requests, navigate to your marketing space. This keeps your form aligned with your team's workflow. Next, click the plus icon. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see this in the top area of your screen. It's your quick create button for new items. When the menu opens, look for the form option. Click form to start building. You're now in the form creation area, where everything you set up will define how people submit information and how it appears in your workspace. You'll be prompted to select a template that fits your needs, or you can start from scratch. Templates are great if you want a head start. Think common use cases like requests, feedback, or bug intake. If you'd rather control every detail from the ground up, choose a blank form. Either way, you'll land in an editor designed to be intuitive. Once there, feel free to customize this form. Give it a clear title so people instantly understand its purpose. Add or edit fields such as short text, long text, drop-downs, dates, and checkboxes, and arrange them in a logical order. Rename field labels to match your process and use helpful descriptions to guide submitters on what to enter. Mark critical fields as required to avoid missing details. If branding matters to you, adjust colors and visuals to match your team's style. As you build, keep your audience in mind. Shorter, well-labeled forms get better responses. Preview as you go to see exactly what submitters will experience and refine until it feels effortless to complete. That's it. Open your account, head to the right space, click the plus icon, choose form, pick a template or start fresh, and customize until it fits your workflow perfectly. You're ready to collect clean, actionable information with confidence.